What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how to put film into a film camera. This is FG20 Nikon. It's a 35mm lens. Okay, so the film that we have here today is the Arista EDU Ultra. It is black and white photography film. It is ISO 400. It really doesn't matter what exposure you have. Like right now I have 36, you can get 24 or any other kind, but I do recommend the 400 ISO. Alright, perfect. So what we have here is the film camera, and the way to open the film camera, you lift this lever up right here and you just continue to lift it until it opens. And this is what it looks like inside. You do put the film here, you extend it out. Once you have the film, this is what it's going to look like. You will put the film in through here. You're going to lift the lever up, click it down. There you go. Now we're going to extend it. So now that you have the film, we're going to extend it. And you're going to put it in through this little section right here. Make sure you put it all the way through. All the way. So now it's gonna pull on it. See that? Pull. Okay, so now we're gonna test it. Just continue pulling. You're all set. Close it. You will just check your little exposure window. You would turn it until it finally gets to 1. So there you have it, guys. That's how you put film into a film camera.